Aiden, cannot drive. You don't even know how to do that.
There's someone to guide him. So,
someone will guide you, but you have to ride with them.
I don't know how to drive.
Kaya nga, so you'll ride. That's a back. You don't drive. Okay, you don't drive. Di ako kakasya. Ano ba? Hindi.
Yung wala ka message siyang sa postal namin sa naghanap ng tuna belly yung isa. Saan ba yung pasukan nun? Kasi hindi ko mahanap kanina.
Hindi ko din alam.
Oh,
Hindi ko pa na binabasa as in yung ano. Siyempre, hindi ko na nakuha. Mainak sila, gutom na silang lahat. Ha? Ako meron.
Wala, joke lang. Ako palang i-rescue ni Atas. Uy, si Aiden nag-worry.
Ay, oo.
Mamaya ako pa i-rescue ng buntis.
Kaya,
Okay, go, go, go.
Mas mabilis pa siya sa akin. Camera pa.
Buntis pa. My God! Pwede kami dinatano. Paras pa tayo. Oh my gosh!
Mali ate yung decision ko. Mali yung decision ko. Sinamaan ko yung ate ko.
ako?
ano plano? Similip lang natin. Kids. May maliit doon pang tag-edit.
Malinisan niyo naman yan.
Kanina. Ay, ayun. Ayun.
No,
Hi.
next year. You'll be one with me.
Oh!
Yeah, supposed to be, yes.
Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around someone? 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Yeah, these babies said that they don't got a future like it burns. So give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow. Might be that another.
Hello. Double tap mo para mag-center. Ha? Putigan yung camera kanina. Takin ang dumi ng trip nyo.
Let's get this started. Where's the party tonight? I feel good, nothing weighs me down. I can't believe my luck right now. Red eyes while he said,
Ano ba naman yan? Ano, kakatayin ka na?
don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone? Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart. It needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some fun?
Kasi Ashton oh. Kung ano ginagawa.
Basa. Hang.